and steady. Around the metro, it was sunny, with a temperature of 65 at St. Paul, 63 at South St. Paul, and 65 at Crystal. Under sunny skies, Blaine reported 64, Eden Prairie reported 63, and Lakeville reported 64. At Lake Elmo, it was fair, with a temperature of 61. Around the state, skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny. It was 62 at Rochester, 62 at Mankato, 63 at St. Cloud, 65 at Brainerd, and 63 at Duluth. Bemidji reported 64, Hibbing reported 62, International Falls reported 66, Alexandria reported 63, and Marshall reported 63. Around Wisconsin, it was sunny, with a temperature of 64 at Eau Claire, 64 at Osceola, and 64 at Bay City. Under sunny skies, Wausau reported 63, Green Bay reported 61, and La Crosse reported 64. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 62 at Rice.
National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota, has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.